In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your watchlist from TradingView. This process is straightforward and will allow you to take your carefully curated stock or asset lists with you wherever you need them. Whether you're switching devices, backing up your data, or simply keeping a record, exporting your watchlist can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the steps. First, let's start by navigating to your TradingView chart. Open up TradingView and ensure that you're on the chart view. This is the primary interface where you conduct your technical analysis, and it's where you'll find all the tools and icons you'll be working with today. Look out for the distinctive layout packed with graphing details and other useful data. Once you're on your chart, draw your attention to the right-hand sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of icons, each leading to different tools and features. Look specifically for the watchlist icon. It usually appears as a small list-like graphic and should be easy to spot among the other icons. Click on it to open your full watch list. Now that you have your watch list displayed, it's time to access additional viewing options to prepare for the export. Move over to the top of this section where you'll spot the Advanced View option. Clicking on this will bring up enhanced features and tools that will help you manage and export your list more effectively. Advanced views often provide more details about your selected assets and will give you better control over your list. With the Advanced View open, you're now ready to download your watch list. Look around for a download icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing downwards. This icon is your gateway to exporting your list. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This action will typically prompt your devices to download your watchlist file, usually in a CSV format. The CSV format is ideal because it's versatile and can easily be opened in spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets, allowing for further manipulation and analysis, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your TradingView watchlist. Remember, keeping an updated copy of your watchlist can help you avoid losing valuable data due to unforeseen circumstances and allows you to transfer your trading information seamlessly across different platforms or devices. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore TradingView's help section or connect with the vibrant community of traders for tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.